Construction circles have similar properties now as normal circles in object properties. If I go to draw, I make use of the normal circle 2 point, indicate the start point. Let's give it a radius of say 80 millimeter. Now I'm going to create a construction circle as well. Under geometry, construction circle by 2 points, and I'm just going to do this one freehand. So if I select the circle in my object properties, it displays the geometry, including the radius. So if I select my construction circle now, it also displays my geometry, and now I can update my radius. So let's change it to 80. And now you'll find a new command, and that is to toggle between a construction line and a circle. So you can convert a construction circle to a normal circle. By selecting the construction circle, you're going to right click, we go down to convert to, and the new command added that says toggle circle construction line. So as soon as you click on the command and you press escape, you'll see that your construction circle been converted to a normal circle. And vice versa, you can select the circle, you're going to right click, we go down to convert to, and you make use of the same command, toggle circle construction circle, then you'll see it converted to a construction circle. So let's apply it to our exercise. So as you can see, I've got two construction circles. I would like to convert them to normal circle, so I can select the construction circle, right click, we go down to convert to, and we make use of the command. If I press escape, we convert it. So if I press spacebar, that means repeat previous command, I can just indicate the next circle. And then a new command, and that is to convert a segment into an arc as well. So instead of making use of the normal arc command 132 or 123, have a look and see that you can select the construction circle, you right click, then you will see under make, there's an option that says make arc from circle segment. So as soon as I'm going to click on the command, as you can see, it makes use of that segment and then convert it to a normal arc. So let's apply it, because as you can see, the command is in a loop. Caddie asks us indicate segment of construction circle to make an arc. So indicate the next segment, next one, and next one, as well as this one. Now you can go to modify, use delete segment. Now I can get rid of the unwanted line segments, and I can now switch off my construction lines. So you can select the circle, right click, you can convert it to a construction circle, but you can also, if you've got a construction circle segment, you can make an arc from a circle segment.